Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your natural nail guru Tati, and today we are swatching some super fun colors. So O.P.I has launched their 2023 summer collection. You know, I had to get my hands on it, and we are swatching the entire collection today. So they have 12 colors total, definitely lots of brights and some cute little pearly action going on in there. So I'm really curious to see how cute this collection is, how cohesive it is. And you already know the three main things that I'm looking for every time we do a swatch. First is consistency of the polish. Are we too thick, too thin, having any issues in polishing the actual product, or is it easily manageable? Secondly, we're looking for coverage. Are we getting the coverage that we expect within the two coats, or do we need a little bit extra? And third, and probably the most important, is whether or not we're getting a really good match between the gel polish and the regular polish in the collection. I've got lots of clients that love their matching, pretty much most of them, so it is really important that we have a really good consistent tone and color for each formula. So before we get started with these beautiful swatches, if you want to be up to date with all of the most thorough nail product reviews, as well as get all of the tips that are going to help improve the health of your natural nails and get you the longest lasting manicures, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, get your notifications on so you don't miss everything coming out. Make sure you share, because DIY or professional, there's definitely something on this channel that can help you out. So let's get this show on the road. The thing is, I quit my day job looking like a beautiful baby pink. Definitely brighter than a baby pink. Let's check out coverage. All of these colors are definitely feeling really nice when you brush them on. And look at that, really nice coverage. That's just one coat. The color is super cute, but let's get the second coat on here and check that out. So here you go, two coats. It's a beautiful pink, definitely one that my ladies will absolutely love. Love it. All right, let's check out the next one. All right, next up we have Make Outside, looking like a little bit of a purpley pink. Nice pink, a little bit darker, and I would say, yeah, it's definitely a little tiny, like half a drop of purple went in this bucket. Of course, great consistency, super smooth application. And just one coat, looking very good, but we need to check this one with two coats, so let's check that out. And here you have two coats, beautiful color. Definitely a cute pink, and you always need to have all the shades. I love it. Let's check out the next one. Next up on the swatches is Skate to the Party, looking like a really cute purple. Yes, it is. Also looks super pigmented, but let's check it out. Really nice consistency. Also great coverage just on one coat. But let's check it out with two. And here we have two coats. This is a really cute purple, and I'm guessing it'll look really cute in matte, but I will show that to you later. Let's check out the next shade. And here we have Bikini Boardroom. It looks like a pearly or a glittery. Yeah, definitely pearly. They have a couple of these in this collection. I was really curious about, because you never really find these in like bright summer colors, so I look forward to swatching the others. Super cute. It actually looks a little bit more pink than the bottle. You can definitely see the purple in there, the pearlescent. It actually looks really nice and really good coverage just on one coat. That's very nice. Let's check it out with two. And here goes your second coat. Really cute color, definitely very soft, and you could totally tell it's purple. A really soft purple. Super cute. Let's check out the next one. Next up, we have Surf Naked. Another pearlescent color. This one is a nice bright ocean blue, looks like teal blue. Oh yeah, these are definitely Bahamian Waters blue. Here goes your first coat. Really good coverage, definitely a soft color. It looks super cute with the pearl effect. But let's check it out with two coats. So here you have it, two coats, really cute color. I definitely think this one's gonna be getting used this summer. Super cute. Let's check out the next one. All right, let's get on with the swatching. I'm Yacht Leaving. Looks like a nice teal color. I mean, what's teal? What's teal? Is it more blue? Is it more green? I would say this is definitely like a tropical teal. This definitely says Miami. Really cute color. One coat is great coverage, although it does look a little soft, but really good coverage on the first coat. Let's check out with two. And here you have your second coat, really cute color. This is definitely something the ladies love down here in Miami. Ooh, out of focus. Let's get it back. There we go. Get this out of the way. There we go. Super cute. Check out the next one. This one is Charge It to Their Room. Yes, please. This is nice. It's kind of like a blue purple. Yeah, like a blue purple. We'll call it blue purple. Really nice. Although a little soft, it's still really good coverage on just the first coat, but let's get that second one on there. Here we have second coat. This one's really cute and actually a big trend this summer besides your obvious neon fun colors is denim blue. And I would definitely say this color qualifies to fit that trend, especially if you make it matte. We definitely got to check that out later. Really cute color. Let's check out the next one. Next up on the swatch line, Sanding in Stilettos. That's a cute name. Ooh, this one's also one of the pearly colors. See, you never really see this type of polish in a corally orange. It's more like a tangerine orange, actually. I love the coverage just on this one coat. I don't know about you guys, but when I polish, I can literally feel the consistency and the ease of the brush when I do it, and I love me a good consistency. Super cute. Let's check this one out with two coats. Here we have it. This is such a cute color. I'm totally digging this pearlescent colors. I am going to be pushing this on like a bunch of my clients this summer for sure. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And we're back. Next color up we are swatching is Flex on the Beach. The bottle looks more pink than orange, but it's definitely more orange. It looks like it has great consistency and let's see. A soft color, you can see a little soft, but still really good coverage just on the first coat. Let's double this coat up and check it out. And here you go, two coats, beautiful orange. My clients are definitely digging orange more and more these years. Super cute. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, this is definitely one of the ones I'm excited about. Stay Out, all bright. I am always looking for funky yellows and greens, limey colors. Always. This one's definitely lemon juice vibes. Comment down below if you know lemon juice. We love that. Oh, yes. Look at this bright yellow. The first coat alone already makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. That is a beautiful, beautiful like highlighter neon yellow. And really good coverage on the first coat. Lemon juice is a little sheer. This one's definitely coming in clutch. But let's check it out with two coats. Here you have your second coat. Super cute highlighter yellow. Enough said. Beautiful, beautiful color. And you could always do this over a white polish if you really want it to pop. I am not a big fan of putting colors over white unless you do it super, super clean. But this looks like you can totally get away with just two coats and get great coverage. Love it. Let's check out the next one. This is another one I'm excited about. Sunscreening my calls. This one is a pearly neon yellow. It looks gorgeous. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, yes, yes. I am in love with this color. Look at that pearliness. All right, let me finish touching up this first coat because I made it a little sloppy, but you can definitely see you have great coverage just on the first one. So let me tighten this up and get a second coat on there. Here you have your second coat. Look at this. It's almost like a creamy, pearly, bright yellow. This is definitely warm and fuzz all over the insides. Even my nails are tingling. I will definitely be using this. Okay, we've got one more color. Let's finish these swatches up. And we're finishing the collection with Summer Monday through Fridays. How about Summer Monday through Sunday? All day, every day. This one's a super cute neon green, and it's definitely more like yellow than green, which I love because it makes it like extra puckerlicious. Oh my goodness. Why am I so excited about these yellows and greens? Look at this color. Definitely more yellow than green, but super, super cute. I mean, like, this collection alone brings me shades of yellows and greens that I look for constantly. Let's get a second coat and finish this one up. And here you have it, 2 coats, a beautiful, beautiful color. I am so looking forward to using this one. Absolutely gorgeous, but we are not done yet because we need to see whether or not all of these beautiful O.P.I summer colors match their toes, because my ladies love matching hands and feet, and if we don't match, then how are we ever going to use all these colors? Let's get to it. Overall color matches for this collection are extremely on point. I mean, even between the pearlescent colors, which generally will be the same tone, but have a little difference in the way the glitter shows, I guess you could say. But these matches are super, super good. There's not one color that I can give any feedback on that would make it a little bit better. I mean, they are super on point. But we're not done yet. We have great matches, great consistency, great coverage, but let's check some of these colors out in matte because I love brights that are matte. Let's see what that looks like. So here is the entire collection at a glance. Really, really cohesive and beautiful collection. And I love that they brought something different with these pearly bright colors because you definitely don't see it often. And I really think it's going to help get people out of this whole pearly is my grandma's color because these are super, super cute. Now let's check to see what this collection looks like with matte top coat, the reveal. Oof. Look at this. I mean, the entire collection looks incredibly good together. And all of these look awesome in matte. I love doing glitter or pearlescent colors in matte because it's no longer reflective or shiny, but it almost gives texture to the polish, which is really, really cool and super subtle for people that don't really like a lot of extra on their nails. But look at this. Look at how beautiful they look glossy, and whew, I think I'm actually digging it in matte more. I love it. Super cute. Comment down below and tell me what you think. What's your favorite color, and do you prefer it glossy or matte? A girl wants to know. Let me know. So there you have it, 12 colors. I am not going to recap everything we just went over. The video is long enough, but as you can see, beautiful colors, great coverage, extraordinary match, and they actually look very, very cute and matte. So drop a little comment below. Let me know, matte or glossy, which is your pick? How do you feel about the collection? And if you want to stay tuned and see what super cute, funky design I come up with for this collection on my nails, then definitely make sure that you follow on IG, Oh My Gel. I'll be posting it soon. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.